Scotland, home to some of the most awe-inspiring visuals a human could ever see. Today, we turn our gaze to the common creature, the ones which hover uncertainly over the ever-growing civilization in an attempt to not fall in. Here we see two birds, a male and a female, but the male fumbles the bag, and therefore the female leaves. This leaves the male bird in a state of depression known as squawking. This decreases the population. Studies have shown since 2016 bird populations have fallen off so drastically there is now only one bird per household. Birds are now failing to find places to mate and find birds to hang out with. This can be said for the boxed-in starling. It is 20 centimetres in height. It would usually be in the woods, but since we tore them down, it cannot be, and it resides on this old roof. Here we see another bird in a similar situation. The coal tit, struggling to find a place in a world of roofs and houses and chimneys and bins and cars. The jackdaw also struggles as it searches for food in an ever-growing wasteland. Here we have captured never-before-seen footage of a rare species of robot. The common or garden rhinoceros bumblebee. Wait, where'd it go? Ah, look! A rare speckled tit! No, to your left. No, my left. Up the tree! The tree! Look at the tree! Look at the tree up there! Oh, fuck it, you stupid bastard. The thing's gone now anyway. And as it glides through its natural habitat, the fish becomes its apex predator in the wild. Watch as it hunts down its prey. It is currently mating season for these bovine buddies, and therefore some of them are trying to get their hole. But we think now the robot has found its prey. It dances through the grass, weaving its way out of a dangerous situation. Watch as the robot follows its every turn. The haggis, swiftly evading its capture. It's a tough chase, but the haggis swiftly makes for an exit, confusing the robot and sending it back home. Thankfully the haggis makes it back home, but unfortunately, since it is so delightfully tasty, we must now kill it. We hope this film has given you a greater appreciation of the natural world around you, and will hopefully teach you to cherish it more and look at it more. So for now, goodbye.